everybody. Welcome to 2 Gig Tech Talk. I'm Scott,
And I'm Jerome.
and we're here today to talk to you about that SMKT8, the smoke heat freeze sensor. Jerome, why don't you kick it off? Tell us a little about
Absolutely.
it.
Absolutely. So the SMKT8 is a smoke detector. And the reason it's kind of important is because if your house is on fire for any reason, we can send a notification off to the central station and have the fire department there immediately.
That
Um,
doesn't happen on your normal ones, does it? Right? Your
does
normal ones
not.
is a local alarm only. Nobody says anything unless the neighbors happen to call if you're not home.
Yeah, if you're
That's
lucky
it,
and you get
right?
good neighbors, right?
Yeah,
I've had a
that's
few
it.
of them that say, let's pull
That's
out some
okay.
marshmallows and
Yeah.
let it burn.
All right, let it burn. All right.
Um,
Uh,
absolutely. But that the big thing is it's a smoke detector, right? But it still has two other functions built into it, right? So one of them is a heat detector, right? So it's designed to at 104, it's looking for a rate of a rise of about 15 degrees in a minute. So it's looking for that heat of that smoke detector, that the heat of that fire to get to it and raise that temperature. So then it will set off a secondary heat detection for that smoke detector. We also have a freeze detector built into it, so it's designed to actually detect the chill. So below 40 degrees, we get a notification that it's too cold, and that's
that's
very
important. That's
yeah,
important to us up here. Up here in the
absolutely.
north, really, you want to know that hey, your pipes are about to freeze. Get somebody over there and fix your fix your thermostat. You fix your
Your
furnace
boiler,
there
yeah.
before.
Before your house freezes over, right, and you lose water
Yep,
for the season,
yep.
or you
Then
have to
yep.
use a
Then
hair dryer on the pipes.
my water detectors are going off after that. Yeah, when they bust open. Got it.
Yeah, absolutely. But then keep in mind that this isn't a whole home smoke detector, so it'll only cover the area that it is. So if you have one in the bedroom, unless that smoke travels into that bedroom, into that smoke detector, which most of the time it probably won't for a while because you've got the headspace above that door,
Hmm.
it's not going to be detected.
Right.
Also, the benefit of ours is that it actually has some new technology in it to tell the difference between synthetic smoke and then like my bad cooking smoke.
You mean I can't use it as a timer for when dinner's done anymore?
Not anymore. I know we all used to do that, but
All right.
so yeah,
Right.
you still probably don't want to put it near the kitchen, right? But it is a big benefit that it can determine the difference between that and it waits a little bit longer for non-synthetic smoke, which is like your house smoke.
Right. So it can tell the difference between that burning synthetic materials. Yep. All right. Yeah, that's excellent. So yeah, I think I like that feature too. The fact that we've done that, that was kind of a first of its kind to be doing that type of thing. And you're right. Yeah, these are not all wired together in series like the wired smokes in a house where one goes off, they all go off kind of thing. This is a individual, back to the old school, right? Individual. You need one in every single place that you need to have a smoke detector.
Absolutely. And then on top of that, you have to keep in mind that on each one of those devices is a little sticker with the date on it, and that date is a replacement date. In a lot of states, they're requiring people to now switch out smoke detectors every, I think, 3 to 4 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they have a
Yeah, I
date
know.
on them. Same with the COs.
I know they have a shelf life of 10 years, really, right? So with them, so I think usually about every 10 years we're swapping them out here.
Yeah, and then you have a sticker on them with the date. I know that.
All right, excellent. All right, so any last comments?
I think I'm good.
All right, sounds great. So that's all we really have time for today. If you're interested in watching more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Take care.
Have a good one.